Today we're going to be working on a very simple, non-traditional, have to stress that, pizza dough recipe that's going to be flavorful and easy. In a bowl, add 4 cups of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oregano, a tablespoon of pepper flakes, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of instant yeast, and a pinch of salt. Then using a whisk, mix everything together. Now add about 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a tablespoon of olive oil, and 1.5 cups of water heated to about 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you test this with a thermometer because it's very important to get this part right. After that, combine everything by hand in the bowl and do your best just to get everything together in one piece. No matter how sticky or dry it feels at this point, you don't have to add anything else. Once done right, you can turn the dough onto a clean surface for kneading without any dusting flour required. You can knead it by hand or with a mixer with a dough hook, but just knead it until it's smooth and then roll it up into a ball. Add some olive oil to the mixing bowl and roll the dough ball around in it to get it evenly coated. Cover it with some plastic film and let it rest for 10 minutes or overnight in the fridge if you have enough time. The dough should have puffed up a bit by this point. Weigh the dough with a kitchen scale and divide it into 4 equal pieces by weight. Since I'm only going to use one, I'm going to wrap the other 3 in parchment paper, put them in a freezer bag, and I'll use them at some other time. And yeah, so now your dough is done. You can do whatever you want with it. Maybe a 12-inch pizza, a stromboli, whatever it is, you can bake it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until the crust is golden brown. Let's try out a cast iron pizza.